so it begins.
You'll know this elevator if you watch through all of our videos just as well as we do. Right now, we're just gonna concentrate on some tin and just see how it's gonna come off. Gotta start somewhere. Whoa! Oh, that was easy. Welcome to the den. My name is Troy, and today you get a bird's eye view of the Lake of the Woods Milling Company sign. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Oh wait, what am I preparing it for? It's retirement. We found the best retirement for this sign, and believe it or not, it's gonna be spending its days at the lake. Which lake? You're not gonna believe this. Yes, the Lake of the Woods. It's crazy. There she is, full and complete. If you like this and you want to learn more about our project as we dismantle the oldest grain elevator in Canada, then you're going to want to subscribe. Here's kind of the prize right here. This is the Lake of the Woods Milling Company pencil drawn artifact. It's the floor plan. Kind of get a rough estimate of what we were looking at salvaging. It should be nice to have a floor plan. And little did I know, like I threw this thing in the back of my truck. I needed a piece of wood. This was front side facing another sheet of plywood on the back of a cupboard. And I was like, I just need some plywood. So I used it for whatever, I can't even remember now. But I used it as like plywood. And I was gonna throw it out. And then I was like, there's something on the back here. So I peeled it off and this is what I found. So that's the story. Let's get this in the box. We're packing up history. I can't wait till they open this. I guess you're old enough to know now. This just happened. Yeah. That's the Lake of the Woods elevator. Bird. Very sad. You can see the sparks went right up to the top of the roof. It sucked it into a hole the size of a football. And the rest is pretty much history. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. We have more videos coming out. This project's really getting underway, and we have lots more to show you. But there's still lots of work to do out there. We have some great videos coming up. Actually, the next one, we'll link it right here. That video is what we call 100 Years of Dirt, and that's where we're gonna knock this grain elevator down to size. Well, it's not going to take itself apart. We always see the top of an elevator. It's so prominent on our prairie skyline. But have you ever seen the bottom of one? Check it out. It's unbelievable. So you're looking at the bottom of the bins right now. Kind of hopper styled for the rest of them down here. Yeah, those are all beams, folks. Those are all like solid beams. Non-alcoholic native wine. I found treasure. Yeah, hey, there she is.
Oh yeah, she's very beautiful. She's at home waiting right now.
Treasure! Sweet Corporal cigarettes. Royal Field coffee. Mint condition. All right, Winnipeg, Manitoba. It says top secret. No, I'm just kidding.
FBI warning. Treasure! Can with no label. Treasure. It's a coat, but it concerns me.